Welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Gaston Chavarine here at Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at our 2016 286 FWBH. When we walk in here, as you can see right in the front, we have a nice sofa that pulls out into a bed, giving your family, friends, people that are going to be hanging out with you a nice place to sleep. Right next to it, there's also a dining area. Okay, right next to the kitchen. The kitchen will come equipped with a nice large sink. Okay, right next to it you have your burners, a 3-top burner stove with an oven. Above that there is a fan and then also a microwave. Okay, if you walk into the back, as you can see, it comes equipped with a nice bunk setup. With curtains, so you can close the curtains and get a good night rest for the family. So lots of sleeping arrangements here, so you have the bunks in the back, you got the couch in the front, and then there's also a lot of nice storage, right next to the TV, above it, beside it, underneath it. If we walk up to the room, on the left hand side you're going to see the bathroom, nice and spacious, for you to be able to get ready, and take a nice, and relaxing shower. And then in the room you have nice space. You have a mirror for you to be able to get ready while somebody's in the bathroom. Nice amenities. Thank you for looking at the 286 FWBH today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Phone number is 541-810-2202.